Everyone, welcome to Eide Bailly's Bismarck office. I'm Andrew. I work in our audit department, and we're going to do a quick tour of our Bismarck office here. So I thought we'd start outside just to show off the cool location that our office has. We got a snowy Monday morning today, but we have a great view of the Bismarck Northern Valley over here. So I thought I'd show that off and our sweet logo on our building here. And let's go inside and have a look around. So we actually share our building with Face and Jaw. They're up on the third floor, but we've got the first and second floors of this building. So inside we kind of got just typical lobby area. We got Kim at the front desk here. Kim's great. Gives a smiling face to everybody who walks in, even me on Monday mornings. Kind of have this general lobby area, and then down here we've got one of our conference rooms. We've got three here, so this is our Audubon conference room. We name our conference rooms after lakes here in the western part of the state. Our main one over here is our Sakakawea room, and we do a lot of things in here. When we have full office meetings with all the departments, we'll gather in here and got our big projector screen up here. And during busy season and other busy times in the year, we'll have socials and get-togethers in here and have a lot of lunches ordered in and things like that. And so yeah, it's a great place for everybody to meet. It kind of fits everybody here. We've got anywhere from 30 to 40 people here at one time during the year. So, all right, let's keep moving. So downstairs is primarily where we have our tax department and people in that department working, and financial services as well. And upstairs we've got business outsourcing services. We like to call it BOSS, kind of the new way to call accounting services, and then also the audit department. So up here, the last thing I'll kind of show you is just, this is our break room up here, and kind of where everybody can meet and hang out and turn something on TV, take a break from work. And like I said, sometimes we'll have socials and stuff up here. Yeah. So that's kind of the tour of the Bismarck office. Thanks, everyone.